Core system libraries failing because of the Ddores Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. To start our troubleshooting for Ddores Library, you can follow my manual steps or use a utility for a clean environment review. This is the Ddores Library, the Device Category Information Resource Library. It houses the localized icons and localized string tables for the devices and printers shell interface, mandatory for localized hardware visual identification. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. This error typically indicates corruption within the Windows system core. I recommend launching command prompt with administrative rights and running sfc/scan now to automatically replace missing or compromised files, such as Ddores Library DLL. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Ddores library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Keep in mind that Ddores Library DLL must be properly registered with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping the file into a folder rarely fixes the root cause of the error. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. If library conflicts or resource allocation issues are present, the link below provides general information on managing Ddores library dependencies. Thank you for trusting us with Ddores library repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.